I just finished Expert Secrets. Here's what I think. What's up, guys? It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video, this is a long time in the making. I'm giving my review of the book Expert Secrets. Now, if you're not familiar with Expert Secrets, then you haven't been searching for anything money making related on YouTube or Facebook, because Expert Secrets is written by a book. I said written by a book. What's up, guys? It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video I'm going to give my honest review. Let me make sure my camera right. My honest review of the book Expert Secrets. Now, if you haven't heard of the book Expert Secrets, you must just be getting started with trying to make money online or starting your own online business, because this book is written by big time internet marketer, owner of ClickFunnels, Russell Brunson, and he runs tons and tons of ads for Expert Secrets, the book and everything. Now, if you've seen any of his ads, he promotes that you can get the book free, right? You can get Expert Secrets absolutely free. All you gotta do is cover the shipping, right? And he does say, this book is being sold at other places. So if you do go on Amazon, right, the book is actually for sale. You know how I know? Because I actually bought it. I bought the ebook version, which you can buy, which I paid for. But if you want to check it out, you can get the actual copy. A lot of people still like the hard copy. You can actually get the book free, and you actually only do have to pay shipping, so it is way cheaper than paying for it on Amazon. So that actually is legit. That's a real thing, right? So anyway, I'm saying this book forever and ever and ever, Expert Secrets, blah 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 blah. And one of the reasons why I always avoid getting Expert Secrets, because I just thought, honestly, it'll be a book where, like, you get it, is a lot of fluff, and then they just try to advertise to you. That's what I actually thought this book was for the longest time, so I didn't get it. But I was like, I'm seeing it so much, I'm like, I want to do a review on it. And so I actually got the ebook version of it, and I had it for almost a year. And I started reading it, and then I faded off, and then, oh, you're probably watching this video, like, get to the review. All right, fine, let's get into it. Expert Secrets is a book that's all about teaching you how to take your passion, whatever it is, and turning it into a full-time business, a 6 to 7 figure a year business. That is what this book is advertised to be, and essentially that's what the book is. Getting right into it, honestly, there's like 20 something different little chapters. Obviously some chapters are shorter than others, and keep in mind I read the ebook version, but it was a long book in my opinion for an ebook. But it breaks it down. It does take you step by step into, like, how to discover your niche, how to go about finding, like, what product you should have, right? It walks you through, like, step by step what the process you need to start your own business based off of, your passion, your ideas, your vision. And it it really does teach you how to do that. But once it goes through, how to discover your product, how to find your passion and your niche, then it actually walks you through the process that you need to go through in figuring out, your market, how to present your product, how to present it in a way to get people to respond, to your offer. It walks you through literally, and the main part to me, takeaway, is it shows you how to set up a funnel, right? It shows you how to get people from potential customer all the way to a actual customer by creating a webinar, right? It teaches you how to create a webinar, and it literally gives you exactly what you need. Like, he gives you the scripts in the book, ideas, and you can literally, if you want, pretty much copy what he does in the book and just use it for whatever your idea is. And obviously he is the owner of ClickFunnels, so he does mention in his book, throughout the book, like, yo, you know, ClickFunnels, I use ClickFunnels to build it. So granted, keeping it real, you know, he's advertising his ClickFunnels, but he's doing what he should do, because I have no problem with him advertising ClickFunnels, which is a huge, you know, business, and a lot of people use ClickFunnels. But I don't have a problem with him promoting ClickFunnels at all, because the book is legit. Like, the book is like, let me tell you something. When I was reading this book, and I'm not joking at all, like, the stuff that he was teaching in this book is stuff that I've seen other gurus doing. Like, their techniques, the sales pitches, the sales techniques, the things they say, the why they say it, when they say it. Look, it's legit. Like, I was like, oh my God. Like, when I was reading the book, I'm like, so-and-so said that. I seen so-and-so say that same thing. So, like, to me, if you're an internet marketer, and this ain't for I want to work from home and stuff, like, this is like if you're trying to be a boss and start an online business, a full-blown, you know, business, this is the book that will take you from knowing nothing to, like, going to the other side. Like, now you're on the side of the marketer. Now you're on the side of the professional who's you know, building huge lists and who's marketing to people all the time. Like, this book literally will take you to the other side. And only I'm hype on it is because I didn't think it was going to be that great. I ain't gonna lie to you. I thought it was going to be, like I said, fluff and not tell you anything. But you literally could take this book and build a business off of it. Now, whether you use, you know, ClickFunnels as your source to get people, you know, get leads, because that's what ClickFunnels does. They, you know, you can build a funnel, create a webinar, get people to your webinar, and then, you know, get the sale. That's what the whole process is, right? So if, you know, you really serious about it, if you're not serious about having a business, then this book will be, you know, I wouldn't even waste my time reading it, to be dead honest with you. But if you're watching this video and you've been wondering about Expert Secrets like I was, and you're serious about, like, yo, I got ideas, I want to run with this, then you definitely want to get Expert Secrets. And I know it's been advertised everywhere to the point where it kind of looked corny, because it's just like, really, like, you just popping up everywhere. Facebook, YouTube, you know what I'm saying? You retargeting this to death. But it worked, obviously, because I got it. So what I'll do, I got 2 links in the description. If you want to get the free Expert Secrets hard copy, for all you do is pay shipping, I'll put that link. But if you want to get the ebook like I did, it does cost a little more. You can get the ebook, so I'll put both links in the description of this video. But guys, Expert Secrets is the real deal. I must confess, and I'm actually going to take some of his strategies and I'm going to use them. I've already started using them. You know what I mean? So yeah, Expert Secrets, check it out. If you get the book and read it, please come back to this video so to verify what I'm saying, so other people, when they come to this channel and see this video, whatever, you know I wasn't lying. So if you get Expert Secrets, come back and comment and let me know what you think. Alright? Be sure to subscribe, because you see I'm dropping that content. Look at it, shooting it from another view. Just got my hair cut too. But comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I will see you in the next video. Peace. Matter of fact, I'm about to run my Expert Secrets ad. Watch this. Hey, thanks for watching this video. But I want to know, how successful do you want to be online? What if you can earn a full-time income teaching others stuff that you already know? Want to learn how to do it? Click the link in the description.